Using Excel and financial calculator, let's summarize and answer this question. Okay, let's start with Excel. Number of year, interest rate, present value, payment, future value. In this case, we do not know interest rate or yield to call in this case, right? Number of year will be what? They can be called in 4 years, so 4 years times 2 because semi-annual case, right? In this case, I will put it negative sign. Okay, payment 87 divided by 2, again semi-annual case. Future value will be 2020, 2020, right? Meaning that in this case, issuers will pay you 2020, 2020 instead of its face value, 1000. Now, yield to call will be future value 0 times 2. Again, this is about semi-annual. Okay, here we go. Using financial calculator, I will show you how to calculate yield to call. Okay, number of year or number of payment, present value, this will be our payment, future value 2020, 2020. Compute yield to call, again times 2, 9.59%. Okay,